A day trip in a long tail boat for sightseeing around the Phi Phi Island. This is located in down south of Thailand near Phuket, the Phi Phi Island. In Phuket, traditional long tail boat having a long history of beginning used for travel and finishing. Today, they are popular for island trips and sightseeing, while bigger boats are used for large group travel. Over the time, long tail boat became a popular with the tourists visiting southern Thailand. Today, they are widely used for highland hopping tours, sightseeing trips, snorkeling activities, and local transport. Phi Phi Island are a group beautiful island located in Thailand between Phuket and Krabi in the Andaman Sea. The island have a long history connected to fisher community and sea trade routes. Local fishermen and villagers originally lived on the island and used traditional long boats for transporting and fishing. The island became internationally famous after the movie The Beach was filmed at Maya Bay in 1999. In 2004, the island were heavily affected by the Indian Ocean tsunami, which caused major damage and loss of lives. After rebuilding and conversion efforts, Phi Phi Island again became one of the Thailand's most popular tourist destinations. Today, visitors travel to Phi Phi Island for snorkeling and diving, boat tours, scenic beaches and limestone cliffs, nightlife and island culture, nature and marine tourism. The island were known for their crystal clear water and coral reef and also limestone mountains long before tourism developed. Phi Phi Island were originally home to small fishing community who depended on the sea for their livelihood. After success of the movie The Beach, international tourism increased rapidly, making the island one of the Thailand's most visited destinations. Recent tourism reports estimate that Phuket receives 10 to 12 million tourists per year, and many visitors take a day trip to Phi Phi Island. Most peoples from around the world are willing to visit Phuket, especially the beautiful Phi Phi Island. There are some famous beaches in Phi Phi Island: Maya Bay, Long Beach, Monkey Beach, Wong Long Bay, Tanshe Bay, Bambos Island Beach, and many more. Also, some famous food in Phi Phi Island. These are all Thai food: Pad Thai, Tom Yum, grilled seafood, green curry, fried rice with seafood, mango sticky rice, popular Thai dessert. Also, most beautiful and very tasty coconut ice cream. I have mentioned a green curry. This is a traditional Thai curry with coconut milk. This is optional for vegetarians. There are more restaurants inside the Phi Phi Island near beaches where tourists can enjoy the local Thai food flavors and beautiful sea view. Popular sea activities in Phi Phi Island: snorkeling, scuba diving, long boat sightseeing tour, island hopping, swimming, kayaking, jet skiing, parasailing, fishing trips, sunset cruise, beach relaxation and photography. Many more activities is there to enjoy a day trip in PP Island. The PP Island most tourist activities are boat usually operates between morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. starting time and evening closing time will be around 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Boat time can also change depending upon the weather and sea condition.